F are you into? Foxy females, fish fingers, or fantasy Fords? If it's the third option, then you're in luck. Foxy ladies and fish fingers will only get you into trouble anyway. Now come on, let's get a closer look. Escort yourself to the 1970s with this legendary Mark II in Signal Amber. You'll be steering the rear with 175 horsepower. Now that's sure to get your heart rate going. You'll be as cool as ice in this iconic 1980 Sierra Cosworth in Moonstone Blue. It's had a full restoration and it's ready to give you the ride of your life. The poster car from the 90s. I guarantee you're gonna have a whale of a time in this Imperial Blue Escort Cosworth. So if you'd like to win all 3 cars, get to LuckyDayCompetitions.com and grab yourself a ticket, and you'll have a different car to drive every day of the weekend, including bank holidays.